Hello YouTube, Religion here, and I'm back again with the video. So there's breaking news coming in, so let's get straight into it. So Eric Bailly has passed his medical at Manchester United, so let's get straight into it. Villarreal defender Eric Bailly has passed a medical at Manchester United. United face stiff competition for the signature of the 22-year-old from the likes of Manchester City, Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain, but they appear to have won the race for the Ivory Coast international services. Sky Sports News HQ understands that interest drove his transfer fee towards the region of £30 million, with Bailly impressing in 25 La Liga appearances for Villarreal last season. So yeah, that's it. It's breaking news. So Eric Bailly has passed his Manchester United medical. It remains to be seen whether it will be announced today or tomorrow. I think it's going to be announced tomorrow, personally. I've done a video on him explaining, his characteristics. So let me just sum it up. He's quick, he's strong, and he's got very good tackling, and he's aggressive as well. So that's all of the traits that you need in a centre back, and all of the traits that Daley Blind didn't have. So Eric Bailly, a centre back, hopefully can be make an impact at Manchester United and be successful. And that is looking like Jose Mourinho's first signing for Manchester United in the summer transfer window. And I think Zlatan Ibrahimovic will follow, but I'll make more videos on that as develops increase. So, anyways, thank you for watching. Please like down below and subscribe if you have already, and I'll see you guys later.